Why every passive income idea you've seen on YouTube is lying to you. Nick is watching YouTube at midnight. A guy in a Lamborghini tells him dropshipping made him $40,000 last month. Another guy says print on demand changed his life. A third one says vending machines are the secret nobody talks about. Nick opens his laptop. He's ready to start. Here's what none of them told him. Dropshipping. Sounds perfect. No inventory, no warehouse, just sell other people's products online. The guru says he made $100,000 in his first month. Here's what actually happens. 90% of dropshipping stores fail in year one, not because people are lazy, but because the model quietly changed. In May 2025, the US government closed the loophole that let Chinese products enter duty-free, the same loophole that made dropshipping cheap enough to work. Gone overnight. Ad costs on Facebook rose 63% since 2020. So Nick pays more for ads, sells products with higher import costs, and competes against Shein and Temu, who buy directly from the same factories at a fraction of his price. Nick's store makes $200 in month one. His ad spend was $400. Print on demand, even better. Design a t-shirt, upload it, sleep while it sells. Here's what the guru skips. The first 6 to 12 months are not passive, they are full-time. Designing, listing, researching trends, optimizing. After a year of consistent work, you might get to 5 hours a week of maintenance. Most people quit in month 3 before the passive part ever starts. MLMs. Your cousin posts about this one. Financial freedom, be your own boss, residual income forever. Here's the number nobody posts about. 99% of MLM participants lose money. Not most, 99%. The only people making money are the ones at the top, who got there by recruiting people like Nick. Vending machines, the newest guru favorite. Buy a machine for $3,000, place it somewhere busy, collect money while you sleep. Here's what they don't show you. Finding a good location takes months of rejection. Machines break, products expire. You restock them yourself at 6 a.m. on a Saturday. That's not passive income, that's a part-time job with a $3,000 entry fee. Here's the truth about passive income that nobody making YouTube videos about it will ever say. True passive income requires either a lot of time upfront or a lot of money upfront. There is no version that requires neither. Dividends from stocks, you need capital first. Rental income, you need a deposit first. Royalties from a book, you need months of writing first. Every shortcut you've seen advertised online is either a business disguised as passive income or a course designed to make the guru rich, not you. Nick closes his laptop, opens it again, puts $50 into an index fund, goes to sleep. The only thing that happened while he slept was compound interest. Boring, slow, real. Subscribe for the stuff that actually works.